Okay, guys, this is another question. This was from kcpe, I think kcpe 2015. Question 19. Okay, the question is, a sales girl earns a salary of 3,000 per month plus a commission of 5% on the value of goods she sells above 10,000. In a certain month, she earned a total of 7,000. What was the value of goods she sold that month? So, this is a question about commission. How do we go about it? The total salary was 7,000 for that month. Okay? And she has a basic salary of 3,000. So the commission for that month will be 7,000. You subtract the 3,000, you get 4,000. Okay, so in that month she got a commission of 4,000. Now, first, let us explain the concept of commission. Commission is whereby employer gives employees some money to motivate them based on the sales that they make. For instance, in this case, if the salesperson sells anything more than 10,000 a month, they are going to get 5% commission. That means that if they sell maybe 20,000, you subtract the 10,000, so they are going to get a commission of 5% of the 10,000. Okay, now in this case they got a commission of 4,000. So we kind of have the head commission. Now we have to work backwards to see how much or what was the value of the goods that they had sold that month. Okay, so 5% is equal to 4,000. This is what we know because they are getting 5% on value of goods above 10,000. Okay, so if 5% is equal to 4,000, we want to get 100%. This is what we want to get. Okay, now there are two ways of going about this. Let's say method one. Method one, you say that if 5% is equal to 4,000, what about 1%? 1% will definitely be 4,000. You divide by 5 because we want to get just 1%. So by 5, 1, by 5, 40 divided by 5 will be 8, and then you have 2 zeros, so it will be 800. Okay, now if 1% is equal to 800 and you want to get 100%, so 100% will be the 800 we multiply by 100. So this will be 80,000. So 80,000 was the total amount of sales. This is the total sales. that they, no, this was the total sales that they got commission for that month. The second method of getting 80,000 is called method 2. We call it the cross multiplication. It is much easier, but you have to be very careful on how to do it. So you have 5% over here. This is equal to 4,000. You want to get 100%. This is equal to question mark. Okay. Now for cross multiplication, you just put a cross sign over here. Okay. And then you put some arrows like that. Okay. Now the numbers across each other will be multiplied. For instance, this will be 100 times 4,000. And then the number that is across the one that we want to find out will become the denominator. That is very important. So in this case, 5 is right across the number that you want to find out. So it will be the denominator. Okay, so this 2 will be the numerator. So it will be 100 multiplied by 4,000, and then you divide by 5. Okay, because 5 will become the denominator. Okay, so this will be by 5 1, by 5 will be 800. Once you multiply, you get 80,000. You see, it is the same answer that we got at this point. So step number 1 is done. We know the total sales. Okay, not the total sales, but the total amount of sales that they got commission for. Okay. Now, going back to the question, we are told she gets 5% on the value of goods she sells above 10,000. So if she got 5% of 80,000, that means that the total, and the question is the total value of goods sold for that month. That means the total sales for the month will be 80,000, and then we have to add the 10,000 because she is getting a commission for sales above 10,000. So once we add this, we get 90,000. So 90,000 is the total sales for that month. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Okay. So, looking at these answers over here, you can realize that B is 80,000. And if you don't read the question very well, then you can easily say that your answer is B. But always go back to the question. That is one point that I always insist. Go back to the question, read the question twice so that you see if there is any hidden information in there. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. That is about it. We have more lessons on commission, more lessons on discount, and all the money examples that you need to know for your kcpe. Subscribe to this channel and leave us a comment. Thank you. Bye bye.